Hey, thanks for stopping by. Are you bored and looking for an interesting game to play with your friends? Well, I have the game just for you. It's a game called Stump. Now, this game has evidently been around for many years and has various rules to play by. You can pretty much make up your own rules. Some people say it is a drinking game, and others say it is skill. I just know that it is a heck of a lot of fun. Get yourself a stump, nails, and a hammer. You will need a box of nails, preferably 3.5 inches long. 16Ds are a good choice, or larger, and one good hammer of your choice. One of the players should set all the nails, one nail for each player. The nail should be driven into the stump about 1 inch. Make sure it is firmly set. You don't want a nail flying out of the stump into your eye. Actually, it would be best to have a set of safety glasses for each participant to wear. Now, the object of the game is to be the last person with a nail that has not been sunk into the stump. During the game, you can choose any nail other than your own to hit. You start out by having a game player take one swing at any nail except his own. The person wants to hit the nail solidly and drive it down. If the nail is bent, you leave it as is and the game continues. Pass the hammer to the next player and he or she takes their turn.
I don't play the damn thing, man.
Alright, put your finger on yours. This is really out before you even got back.
We're skipping them off. Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah.
You fill in.
Yeah, we're skipping them off. Yeah. Don't hit this nail.
Or hit that nail. Ooh, that moves pretty.
I
got to keep on.
Just get to make sure.
I got to keep on.
Well, you keep on doing that to fine.
Come on, you're up.
I got to keep on.
You tell this time.
Oh, you said something like that.
Yeah.
Whichever one you
Stop right.
I don't play the damn.
I got to keep on.
I don't play the damn thing,
I
man.
got to keep on.
I don't play the damn.
I got to keep on.
I don't play the damn thing, man.
Yeah.
His leverage that No, he's not there.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Oh, he missed. Which one? Sky hit me. So I might have to take Sky out.
He just aimed at you right
He missed.
there.
He missed.
I know, but he's gonna get you next time.
I don't
Nope.
play the damn.
God!
But Scott gets you next time now.
I know.
Yeah.
Choice, idiot. I don't
Dumb
play the
idea.
damn-
Well, if I would have hit it, he would have been out.
I don't play the damn.
Said.
I don't play the damn
He
thing, man.
missed.
Oh,
Yeah, he missed right there.
He got harder. I barely got it.
The other side's still up.
Don't be that guy, Brian.
Oh,
That was bad.
who's in, anybody?
I got to
Yeah.
keep on.
It was just this half over here until I got out.
I got to keep on.
What's going on?
I got to keep on.
Can you hit the nail?
Oh yeah, you're right. She going.
He gone.
You gone.
Hit that other back corner
I
down.
don't play the damn.
And he missed it!
I don't play play the damn thing, man.
He's out. Tanner won.
I got to keep on. I got to keep on. I got to